Hi, this is Jamie with isoTracker, and today we're going to discuss recording a corrective action in the training module. So let's get started. We'll start the corrective action process by recording a nonconformance and then a root cause. So let's scroll down to the nonconformance section and click on the plus icon here. The details of a nonconformance record can be added once at least one respondent has completed their training event. Any test questions that have been failed by at least one respondent will be listed here. All survey questions are listed here. If we select them at the same time, a test question and a survey question, a warning message appears saying that both the test and survey question cannot be selected for an NCR. So a different NCR will need to be recorded for each test and survey question. Now let's just select this test question here. We'll select an importance from the drop-down list items, critical, major, minor. Let's select major. We can type in the details of the nonconformance record in this text box, or you can reuse another nonconformance record here by clicking on the prior NCR button. An additional 4 fields can be created in the admin NCR RC fields and listed above the details text editor. If you wish, you can attach up to 20 external documents, and then click Submit. The nonconformance record is assigned a unique number and listed here along with the selected questions. Additional NCRs can be added using the plus sign in the object header. Now let's record a root cause by clicking the plus sign here, and then type the details of the root cause in the text box. Note that up to 4 fields can be created in the Admin NCR RC section, and they'll be listed above the details box. If you wish, you can attach up to 20 external documents. You can create a relationship between this root cause and an already recorded NCR by moving the relevant NCR number over to the right-hand box, and then click Submit to record this root cause. We can see here that a unique number has been assigned and the details are recorded here. The related NCR is also listed here. When the page is refreshed, the related root cause will also be listed on the relevant NCR. Now let's click on the plus sign to record a corrective action. When opening the corrective action, the action required section is opened. You can attach nonconformance and/or root causes by clicking on these links. Let's click Choose Nonconformance Record and select the associated NCR, then click Submit. The target date calendar is a default field. Select the desired date, then enter the action required for this corrective action in the text box. Additional fields for this corrective action can be opened here, but for a number to be assigned to the corrective action, the action required must be recorded first. Now let's click Submit, and the corrective action is recorded with the completed sections displayed. The selected nonconformances and/or root causes are listed at the top here. They can be removed from here, but they cannot be edited here. This is the action required for this corrective action, which has also been assigned a unique number. This can be edited or deleted. The Close button appears as soon as the corrective action has been recorded. It can be clicked at any time to indicate that the corrective action has been closed, but in reality, this should only be done when the training event is ready to be closed. At any time, a task notification can be sent to users in the system. This can be done before recording an action required or afterwards. Click on the plus sign here, select a user or users to send the corrective action request to, enter a reply required date and time using the calendar feature. If the send to user does not respond to the corrective action by this date, they will be sent a late reply reminder. The reminder drop-down defaults to yes, which means that the selected user or users will receive up to 5 late reply reminders, each at 24-hour intervals until they respond. You may attach up to 10 external documents here. Remember to click the Upload button to ensure that the documents are attached. Enter the action required, and then click Submit. The corrective action request is displayed below the corrective action record. Note the sent date and reply required date here. You can click on the Edit icon here to edit this message before it is replied to. Click on the plus sign to send a follow-up message that does not require a reply to the same user or other users. And that's how you record a corrective action in the training module. In our next tutorial, we'll continue with recording the corrective action, so be sure to check it out along with our other tutorials so you can make the most of isoTracker.